addresses or something like that, it's nice to be able to attach a face along with that moniker that I see in the webinars, as well as in the emails that you occasionally send in with questions. So glad you're all here. My name is Richard Krivo. I'm one of the trading instructors, Daily FX, and I will do my best to explain three simple trading strategies to you. Now, those of you who have been in any of the sessions here, I know my sessions, I can speak for those, you've probably seen these risk disclaimers. And I know when I first started trading, I would see these risk disclaimers all over the place. And I wouldn't ignore them, but frankly, I got tired of seeing them. I was like, enough. But as I said in all my other sessions, and I'm going to continue to repeat in here, ignore these at your own peril. Because as it says right here, trading foreign exchange on margin carries a high level of risk, may not be suitable for all investors. That's absolutely true. So, forewarned and all that type of thing. Don't want to discourage you, but I do want you to be aware of that situation is very much a part of this particular market. And I always add my own caveat to this with the phrase risk capital. You should only be trading with what you can define as risk capital, and risk capital is money that you can afford to lose, because you will have losing trades. Make no mistake about it. Everybody, the best traders in the world have losing trades. You're going to have them too. I'm going to have them too. And you just only want to be trading with money that if you lose that money, your lifestyle is not going to be affected one tiny little bit. Because number one, if you're trading with money that you cannot afford to lose, you're not doing yourself any service financially. You're being, in my interpretation, kind of playing fast and loose with money that you shouldn't be playing fast and loose with. And you're putting extra pressure on yourself. My colleague Matt Russell in the other room was talking about trading psychology, treating trading like a business. He's going to be talking about trading psychology later this afternoon. And if you're putting more emotional stress on yourself by trading with money that, oh my gosh, if I lose on this trade, I don't make next month's mortgage payment, or maybe my kid doesn't go to college or something like that, you got enough stress trading, especially if you're new at it. Don't put extra stress on yourself by trading with money that, oh my gosh, I can't lose this, because you are going to have losing trades. Okay, pay attention to the risk disclaimer. They're all there for a reason. Okay, the objective of this session is to provide you with three simple trading strategies. The chart setups are very straightforward. The entry and the exit plans are clear. If they're not, feel free to ask the questions. Trading, in my opinion, is as simple or as complex as you make it. It's tough in the beginning. It's not an easy way to go. But once you get an understanding of what's going on with the markets and you have a strategy under your belt, it is simple. That doesn't mean it's easy. It's simple to understand, but it's not an easy way to go. Or you can make it very complex. And new traders, well, not only traders, but anything new seems really complex. I can't remember back to when I first started to learn how to walk.